Hi there, this is Angie. On this video today on Doordash, what am I doing wrong? I just had the quick idea to do a video about this. I've been dashing for probably a good 8 months or so now, started last August, and you see things in Doordash videos on YouTube and on Reddit, in the Doordash subreddit, that there's dashers making 30, 40 bucks an hour. And if you're not making that kind of money, you might be thinking, what am I doing wrong? What are they doing right that I just cannot get? This message is especially important for new dashers and for people that maybe have been doing it a while and they're struggling and they can't figure out how to get into that $30 to $40 range. An hour range. And I'll be honest with you, it matters what market you are in. My market sucks. It is flooded with dashers, and at the very, very best, I am lucky to average $15 an hour. And I see other videos where the dasher mentions $15 an hour as bare bottom that you can make. And in my market, that's the best you can make. So don't be discouraged when you see dashers posting screenshots that they made $300 or $400 that day or $1,200 for the week, that kind of thing. It depends on your market. They don't have any special magic that they're doing. I guess in some markets you can still really cherry pick, but I know in my market, there's no cherries on the tree. You cannot sit there and decline order after order after order until you get a great one, because if you decline an order, you might sit there for another hour before anything else comes in. Also, Doordash, it is completely to their advantage to flood the market with dashers because they're never shorthanded. There's always going to be a dasher who's going to take that crappy order and go deliver it for $2. So they don't have to increase the base pay to get a dasher to take that order. So, okay, I'm back. I had to stop the video earlier because I had an order come in that I had to go do. So it's a little bit later, but I want to continue with this video. Basically, you just don't want to be too hard on yourself and accept what your market has to offer you. And if it is not sufficient to meet your needs as far as the money that you can make, because of course, it might look okay on your Dasher app, how much money you've made that day or that week. But of course, you've got to take a look at the gas you're putting in your car. You're doing a lot more frequent oil changes and changing out your brakes and other maintenance on your car when you're running over 100 miles a day sometimes. And I average easily, it's almost 100 miles every single day that I dash. So you're racking up the miles. And also taxes. We are self-employed. You will be hit with the self-employment tax. So keep that in mind too. And if your income is just not hitting it where it needs to be while you're dashing, check the link below. I have a program where you get paid $30 to sign up and download and use a couple of cashback apps that are fantastic. The first one, you get paid 30 bucks. You place an order for $30 of whatever you buy. You can use this at Walmart, Target, all 3,500 different stores, and it's all places that we shop anyway. You go through this app, make your purchase at whatever store. If it's at least $30, you instantly get $30 cash back. There is another app in this program that is an awesome cash back on gas. And as dashers, we need as much savings on gas as we can get. So go ahead and check the link below. This can be an excellent opportunity for you to increase your income and give you that extra that you're just not getting with DoorDash. And this opportunity has an incredible compensation plan. So even if you're not into referring other people, you can still make $2,400 a month, even without referring anybody. So check it out. Check the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.